Now I'll go through how to create the Pug version of the final project. If you're really good at this sort of thing, you could go straight into creating the includes and mix-ins with no thought processes to get there. But I'm going to assume that you went through a more step-by-step process. Let's start with index.pug open for editing in one tab, and expectedoutput.html and the compiled index.html open alongside. We can start out by typing an exclamation mark to get the HTML5 boilerplate. You can use link:/CSS to get the stylesheet link, but change the path so it points to css/style.css. Then we can fill in the rest with static content for the moment. Title: Lovely Cars of Yesteryear. Then inside body, H1, Lovely Cars of Yesteryear. Nav.navbar, greater than UL, greater than LI, .navbar__li times 6 to give us our 6 list items inside the unordered list. ahref equals #1, and the same for links to pages 2, 3, 4 and 5. And for the last link, instead of a page number, we want two greater than symbols to show following pages. And then the gallery div, #gallery. I'll just do one car, as we'll be making this dynamic using the data in the data file soon. .car for the div. Typing img will give us the Pug version of the image tag with src and alt ready to be filled in, and then the path to the first car image is images/001.jpg. The alt tag and the car name are Austin Healey, and then the paragraph for the car's name, p.car__name, and again Austin Healey. Then p.car__price for the price, containing $25,000. Then the pagination again, so we can copy that. And then the footer greater than HR plus P. Ampersand copy semicolon, Lovely Cars of Yesteryear. At this stage we should have the site with just the one car up and running. Here's the source code up next to it, and you can go to the W3 validation service and paste that in and check that, to make sure there are no errors in the nesting or anywhere else. And if that's okay, we can go on in the next lesson to change this from a single static page to make use of includes, mix-ins and the data provided.